Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the coolest gadgets for men that are worth spending money for. Technology is making our lives easier, and this is especially true for men, as the design of gadgets for men undergoes constant changes. There are plenty of cool gadgets that are worth buying. We've looked through our favorite stores to find some that are particularly worth your attention. Here at Tech Peek, we've rounded up all of the best options for you. So I see no reason why you shouldn't stay with us to see the coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. Now, on to the video. Number 1. Fitbit Charge 5. Can you imagine having a fitness tracker that tells you whether you should work out or focus on recovery? Well, the Fitbit Charge 5 does this and more. Through the daily readiness feature, you will get to know whether you are ready for exercises or you should just focus on recovery. Manage your stress through the stress management score and measure your body response to pressure using an on-wrist EDA scan app. You will be able to receive heart rate notifications that let you know whether your heart is below or above the threshold. You can also track heart rate variability, breathing rate, the oxygen level in the blood, and skin temperature variation through the Health Metrics dashboard. It doesn't matter whether you are working out with your phone or not. Fitbit Charge 5 uses real-time pace and distance with the built-in GPS that makes it easy for you to see the pace and heart rate zone throughout the route. You get all these awesome features in one wearable for just $178.95. On top of that, you get a 6-month membership plan that comes with personalized insights, advanced analytics, and guided programs. Number 2. Omnifob. Everyone knows men are obsessed with gadgets, which is probably why so many tech companies sell them gizmos to help them be more productive. But many men want to simplify life while saving time and money. If that's you, check out Omnifob, which is a shortcut remote for all your smart devices. It does a lot of things, from turning the home lights, disarming the alarm, opening the doors at the garage, locking and unlocking the doors, turning smart outlets and security alarms, and controlling scenes by initiating commands. It works hand in hand with your smartphone. Through the built-in Bluetooth locator, you can find the Omnifob gadget using your smartphone or find your smartphone using the gadget. It also works with Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa to give you more control of your smart devices. You can connect the gadget with your car by connecting it with Moboki, so you can remote start, lock, and unlock doors and trunks. It also acts as a panic button by sending your location when you have encountered a challenge. It also comes with a built-in mini flashlight to easier your way through darkness and a remote camera that allows you to take selfies hands-free. Its battery lasts for about 2 to 4 weeks, thanks to the USB-C recharging cord that comes with it. Number 3. OralB IO Series 9. OralB IO toothbrushes are one of the biggest sellers in the oral hygiene category, due to their satisfying design and high-quality features. The newest model in this series is the IO Series 9, which comes with an improved design and features that are better suited to men's oral hygiene needs. It is one of the best men's toothbrushes that money can buy. The package has 1 electric toothbrush, 4 replacement brush heads, and a charging travel case. It allows you to apply perfect pressure when brushing your teeth, as it will signal red when brushing too hard and signal green when brushing right. It provides a sensational clean with its unique round brush head that has micro-vibrating bristles, making sure they reach every corner for a deep clean. The conversational display ensures clear mode setting, display charging bar, and 2-minute brushing timer. You get this amazing electric toothbrush at a price that starts at $299.94. Number 4. OYO Gym. Get your body in shape anywhere, anytime, whether at home, office, or when traveling with this portable smart gym. It offers an extensive array of exercise options, giving you a full gym in your hands. You can build a balanced body in no time from the chest, back, arms, core, legs, and abs. The most intriguing fact is that it can produce up to 25 pounds, but only weighs 2 pounds, allowing you to exercise anywhere you go with it. It has been proved to build lean muscles and burn fat, as much as using the free weights, as it once was used by the International Space Station for over 10 years. In addition, you get 3 years of warranty, 2 10-pound flex packs, 1 5-pound flex pack, leg attachments, door anchor, 60 online workout guides, and a product guide. The price starts at $129.95, including free shipping, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 3-year warranty. Number 5. Gillette Heated Razor. Another hot gadget for men on the market is the world's first heated razor, the Gillette Heated Razor. The gadget does a lot of shaving tasks with just a push of a button. It ensures warmth and soothing luxury when shaving in less than a second. The blades are combined with flex disc technology, which increases its efficiency to provide a comfortable shaving experience. The flex disc technology maintains skin contact for a smooth shave and maximizes heat delivery. It has an adjustable heat feature where you can choose the heat that gives you comfort between 2 levels. It comes packed with a handle, 2 blade refills, a smart plug, and a magnetic wireless charging dock at a price that starts at $149.99. It can be magnetically charged, and once it is charged, it can be used up to 6 shaves as it uses a lithium-ion battery. Have the comfort of using the Gillette razor blade in the sink or shower, as it is waterproof. Number 6. 3-Coil Puna MultiTool. Retailing at just $49.95, the 3-Coil Puna MultiTool is a must-have gadget for all men in today's time and age. It is a great gadget to have in your bag and carry with you at all times. It's a small and compact gadget that can be used in a lot of different situations. You can use it to open bottles, as a keychain attachment, scalpel, screwdriver, hex tool, and so much more, as it comes with 6 built-in functions. Any man will enjoy using it with all the features it comes with. It has a small and lightweight design, as it only weighs 2.4 ounces, which makes it simple to carry anywhere. You can do the cutting work with carbon steel number 11 scalpel blade by pressing the safety catch blade. What makes it function as a bottle opener is a space between the stock and grip, while the replacement blades have a swap dulled blades, which may function as a screwdriver. This tool can be disassembled and packed easily in its waterproof hard case for convenient storage. When it has been disassembled, it measures less than 4 inches in length and less than 1/4 inch in width. A high resistance to corrosion, it is built with stainless steel that makes it stay for a long time without being corroded. Number 7. Jabra Elite Active 75T. For those who like to work out while listening to their favorite music, this gadget is for you. It can be your ultimate companion while you are out on your daily run, playing sports, or working hard at a job. The earphones are lightweight, comfortable to wear for long periods, and the ear hooks are designed to fit your ear shape for better comfort. The earphones are also water resistant, sweat proof, and workout proof, which is a bonus when you are using them in the gym or when running. It has an active noise cancellation feature that filters out the noise so you can focus on enjoying your music playlist. Coming with up to 4 microphones, they offer better call quality. It can stay up to 24 hours, and it can be charged anytime, anywhere with the pocket-friendly charging case. With the Jabra Sound app, tailor your music playlist to fit your favorite genres. It is also compatible with Siri, Google, and Alexa. You get this for just $152.83. Number 8. Mech Army FL10. Designed for everyday carry, the Mech Army FL10 is a gadget that promises to provide you with all the benefits of a smartwatch, but without the bulkiness of one. It can be your ultimate companion while you are out camping, looking for things, or doing repair works. It is powered by a 100 mAh rechargeable lithium polymer battery, which has a maximum runtime of 6 hours. The maximum output which it can provide is 360 lumens, while the maximum beam distance is 64 meters, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. Being an ideal gift for your friend or boyfriend, this gadget has multiple functions. It has an innovative carabiner that can easily be attached with keyrings or a backpack. It comes with a micro USB that makes it rechargeable with any USB port, whether it is a power bank, car charger, computer, or a normal charge. It is water resistant and comes featuring 4 lighting modes. Its price starts at just $129.90. Summing up, gadgets are an important part of our daily life. From smartwatches to the latest workout models, the number of smartest and coolest gadgets available at the moment is increasing rapidly. Most of these gadgets can be bought online, so you can find them with just a few simple clicks on Amazon or on their official website. That's a wrap for the coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about the top 5 drones under $100. Well, see you in the next one. Take care.